Alright, so we're here to test this Drocon Mirage. Looks like the size in between a nano and a micro. But let's sit this little guy down. Turn it on. And so you calibrate it by putting both sticks to the lower right. And then we can take off by putting both sticks to the lower outside corners. That starts the propellers to spinning, and then we press this take off landing button. And so there we go. So the altitude hold seems to be working. It's moving up and down a little though, but for the most part it's staying in the air. So let's try the yaw. Pretty decent yaw for the first rate. Side flying aileron is pretty decent as well. Forward flight. That's against the wind. This is with the wind here. Okay, let's see what we can get this thing to do. I don't know what spin or revolve is. Let's hit that and see what it does. Okay, so that just activates the yaw, makes the yaw spin until you touch the right controller and then the yaw stops. Let's look at it again. So it's throwing that on its own. I guess that can be cool just to show somebody something, but you can just, oh yeah, when you apply yaw, it's not going to spin that fast, so it spins a little faster. Check it out. And it does stop when you press the button again. So let's see what else this thing does. Bring it down, it's starting to climb a little. So we have a stunt button on here. This is the stunt button. So it does a flip. Nice and snappy. Does cheater flips. It does apply like some throttle before it actually does the flip. So flips in all directions. Let's see if we can up the speed on it. Okay, so let's try yaw now. Yaw is significantly faster. The pitch is a little better as well. This is forward flight here. So this little guy gets sporty on a second rate. I don't know if there's a third rate. Let's try. There is a third rate. And the yaw is really nice. Wow, it gets really sporty. So this thing flies pretty fast now. Check it out. Yeah, this thing can get away from you. Let's see if we can do some funnels with it. Really nice funnels, check them out. Wow, so this thing gets really snappy and all. Let's see. Okay, we're back to low rates again. I like high rates a little better. So let's try something. This has headless mode on it. First, one Kiwi Turn. Let's see what that does. That just brings it backwards down the heading. And it goes back to normal flight once you touch the right stick. So let's try headless mode. It's in headless mode now. The lights are blinking. It'll let you know you're in headless mode. It holds the heading that it's facing when you first activate headless mode. So check it out. I'm flying to the right now, flying to the left. All while applying yaw constantly. And I still have control of it. And it's spinning pretty fast too, so Pretty nice headless mode. It hasn't lost its heading yet, so it seems to be pretty good, pretty accurate. So let's come out of headless mode. Let's see. Yep, the lights are solid now. I don't know if you guys can see the lights on the rear. Should be able to. Light in the front is solid. Whoops. Clipped the tree there. This little guy's a speed demon now. So this shaped up to be a pretty nice drone here. Nice little line of sight flyer. Check them out. Let's do some more flips if we can. Oh, right into the sun. And I had switched it to low rates by mistake. Get out here in the opening so we can see how this thing picks up speed. Test the range a little bit. Haven't lost control of it yet as far as the signal. So it's kind of windy out here now, and it's handling the wind no problem. Now that we're out in the open, the wind is a little more stronger. Okay, let's try flip again. Try some forward flight and do some flips. So you can't really do a barrel roll or anything because it doesn't let you activate the flip while you're holding a direction on the right stick. So you kind of have to let off the right stick before you can activate the flip or arm a flip. Now it said in the manual that this has telemetry, so that'll make this thing that much better if it has telemetry, if this transmitter starts to beep when the battery gets low. Because even though it does have lights in the rear, you can barely see them. I can barely see them here, so I know you guys are having trouble seeing it on camera. And the wind is against me here, trying to blow me deep into the construction yard here. Fighting the wind here. Going with the wind this way. And a bird almost took me out. It got close enough to realize that this isn't something to eat. And the transmitter is beeping. And it's beeping pretty loud too. So the rear lights should be flashing now, and they are. So nice little drone here with telemetry in the transmitter. Let's see if we up. And we ran out of power. I was going to try to land it on our post up there, but this thing landed on its own. So pretty nice little flyer from Drocon, the Mirage. And it has telemetry. Pretty nice. Thanks for watching.